In this video, we are gonna show you our DIY preparation of vermicompost. The African Nightcrawler was sponsored by Nova Vizcaya Farm School. The first step was to purchase a container, and with the help of heat, use a metal tool to puncture the container. With this, it helps the air circulate to reduce the concentration of pollutants. The second step is to gradually pour the cow manure into the container and gradually add water and NPK, that stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The third step is to distribute the African Nightcrawler on top of the manure. Fourth step is to put the shredded and air-dried banana branches and leaf on top. But any kitchen waste will do except for oily waste like oil. Lastly, set up the DIY vermibed on the place that is safe, away from predators such as chicken and ants. That is all. I hope that you learned a lot.